We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey, it's Jordan over at Onyx, and today we're going to show you how to change and reset your drum, and we're working with a Brother L6200dw, and it takes a DR820. So first you're going to open the cartridge door by pressing this little button at the top right, then pull your cartridge straight out, and it has this little blue lever on the side. You're going to press that, it'll unclick your cartridge, so you'll take the one you don't want, get rid of it, get your new one, put your cartridge in, it'll click in place, then put that back inside the printer, that'll also click in place. Then you leave the door open and you want to hold OK for about 2 seconds. Then it says drum unit, then you'll just click OK again, and then you'll press up and then it'll reset. And then if you guys need anything else, just give us a call and you have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.